The moon hangs silently in the night sky like an ancient lamp, watched by humanity for thousands of years. From the earliest days of human existence, people have lifted their eyes towards it with wonder. Long before science had explanations, the moon was wrapped in mystery. Some ancient societies worshipped it as a god, believing it controlled fate itself. Others connected it with love, poetry, madness, and dreams. In a world without artificial lights, the moon was the ruler of the night, guiding travelers, hunters, and sailors through darkness. Unlike the sun, which burns with its own fire, the moon is calm and reflective. It produces no light of its own, yet it dominates the night sky. This soft glow created a deep emotional bond between humans and the moon. Many ancient stories describe people talking to the moon, sharing secrets with it, and believing it could hear their thoughts. Even today, when cities glow with electric lights, the moon still manages to capture attention in a way few other natural objects can. Scientifically, the moon is Earth's only natural satellite, but its importance goes far beyond that simple definition. According to modern research, the moon formed around 4.5 billion years ago, shortly after Earth itself. One of the strongest scientific theories suggests that a massive object, roughly the size of Mars, collided with the early Earth. The force of this impact was so powerful that enormous amounts of material were thrown into space. Over time, this debris slowly gathered together, forming what we now know as the moon. This violent birth explains why moon rocks share many similarities with Earth's rocks, a discovery that surprised scientists when samples were first brought back. Although the moon is about 384,000 kilometers away from Earth, its influence is constant and powerful. One of its most visible effects is the movement of ocean tides. The moon's gravitational pull gently lifts the oceans, causing water levels to rise and fall in a steady rhythm. These tides have played a crucial role in the development of life on Earth. Early marine life depended on tidal pools, and even today, countless ecosystems rely on this regular movement of water. Without the moon, Earth's oceans would be far less stable. The moon also acts as a stabilizing force for Earth itself. It helps keep Earth's rotation steady and prevents extreme changes in the planet's tilt. This stability allows seasons to occur in a predictable pattern. Without the moon, Earth's climate could have been far more chaotic, making life much more difficult, if not impossible. In this way, the moon is not just a companion in the sky but a silent guardian of life on Earth. As the moon orbits Earth, it appears to change its shape. These phases have fascinated people for centuries. The thin crescent, the half moon, the bright full moon, and the dark new moon all follow one another in a cycle lasting about 29.5 days. This cycle became one of humanity's earliest ways of measuring time. Long before clocks and calendars, people understood the passage of time by watching the moon grow and fade. Many ancient calendars were based entirely on the moon. The Islamic calendar still follows the lunar cycle today, with important events such as Ramadan, Eid, and Hajj depending on the sighting of the moon. Other civilizations, including the Chinese and the Mayans, also developed complex lunar calendars. The moon helped organize farming, religious festivals, and daily life, making it an essential part of human civilization. When scientists began studying the moon more closely, they discovered that its surface tells a story frozen in time. The moon is covered with vast plains, towering mountains, and countless craters. These craters were formed by asteroids and meteors crashing into the moon billions of years ago. Because the moon has no atmosphere, no rain, and no wind, these marks remain unchanged. While Earth constantly renews its surface through weather and geological activity, the moon preserves the history of the early solar system like a museum in space. The experience of time on the moon is very different from Earth. One full day on the moon lasts about 14 Earth days, followed by 14 days of night. During the long lunar day, temperatures can rise to extreme levels, while during the night, they drop dramatically. This harsh environment makes the moon a difficult place for humans, yet it also makes it incredibly valuable for scientific research. In 1969, humanity achieved one of its greatest milestones when astronauts landed on the moon for the first time. When Neil Armstrong stepped onto the lunar surface, his famous words reflected the importance of that moment. It was not just a victory for one nation, but a breakthrough for all humankind. The Apollo missions returned moon rocks that transformed scientific understanding of the moon's origin and Earth's early history. Since then, the moon has remained a focus of space exploration. Modern space agencies are once again planning missions to return humans to the lunar surface. Scientists have discovered signs of water ice hidden in permanently shadowed craters near the moon's poles. This discovery has changed future plans dramatically, as water could support human life and even be converted into fuel for deeper space missions. Beyond science, the moon continues to influence human culture. It appears in songs, poems, films, and literature across every civilization. Lovers still walk under moonlight, artists still paint it, and storytellers still use it as a symbol of mystery and hope. The moon connects modern humanity to its ancient past, reminding us that despite all our technological progress, some wonders remain timeless. Even now, the moon circles Earth quietly, observing everything without judgment. It has watched civilizations rise and fall, wars begin and end, and generations come and go. It has seen humanity take its first steps beyond Earth and will likely witness many more journeys into the universe. The moon remains a silent witness, glowing gently in the night sky, reminding us of our curiosity, our ambition, and our endless desire